Obviously. Who the program here? Why is he turned on? Oh my god. It saves the mecha to the garbage dump.
It's time for you. When the moon hits you eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. I'm a lightheaded.
I got this!
Can I have it? I bet you can't do this.
I got this!